Good morning. Here we are at Kylemore, early morning. This is part of what we do, the solar panels and the forest. Listen to the sounds of the birds. This plantation is 9 years old and the birds are starting to nest. They're talking to one another. Listen to the sounds. It's 6 o'clock in the morning and that's the beauty of having the solar panels. There's no noise. Only the noise of the cars in the background in the distance. But just listen to them birds. It is all well worth it when you hear the sounds of nature, when you planted trees. Beautiful. This is Patrick O'Brien here, giving you a taste of what nature would do when you set it up for them. Thank you very much for listening.